What is going on, party people? This is Full Octane Creations, where we give you guys that motorsport good. Welcome to Vlogmas. This is day, I don't know. They're all starting to mush together, but we're powering through it. We're making it happen. I know we're a little behind, but we're catching up. So if you guys have been keeping up with the channel, you know that I blew out an axle on my BRZ. But don't worry, we are taking the next steps to getting the BRZ back on the road. So today we're gonna go ahead, fix her up, do a good old install video, just hanging out, working on the car, wrenching, joking around, all that good stuff. So Chris is on his way over to my apartment. He's gonna pick me up, and then we're gonna head over to my mom's and start working on the car. So let's go ahead, hit the road, and get Bailey, my BRZ, running and humming. Chris is here. Let's go. Alright, before any install, we always need caffeine. Right?
Oh, absolutely.
Well, what are we getting?
2 Trenta salted caramel cream cold brews.
Trenta. I didn't know that was a thing.
Well, I think it's just a today thing.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's normally like they limit the size. Like the Nitro, they limit that to a grande.
Well, no, I didn't even know Trenta was a size you could get in general.
Oh, it's like, I used to get it in like teas and whatnot.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, man. So we're getting an extra, or Venti is a large, or in my eyes, right? So now we're getting like a XL.
The extra large.
The big back size is what I like to call it. I'm gonna get fucking tweaked on
big back
right
coffee
now.
for a big back.
Oh, shit, dude.
It's gonna be delicious.
All right. We are caffeinated, rejuvenated, elevated, and motivated to get this done today. So, jacking up the car real quick, and we're gonna get started. Jackson. Oh, I forgot how light this is.
Easy peasy.
Easy money, dude.
Towards you.
There we go.
Okay.
Money.
And then I'll take this end. Aha! Look at that shit, man.
So easy, dude.
Now just grease up the new one,
Yeah.
fucking snap her in. We're freaking good.
Yeah.
Oh, she's done.
Yeah.
That axle's been abused.
Yes, sir. All right.
These installs lately, bud, been fucking, you know, a little easy.
Don't jinx it yet. They look the same. Alright. New one, old one.
You know, it's not gonna be playing that anymore too, so your power's gonna be a little more direct.
It's gonna be wild. I'm gonna have to do the other one soon.
Yeah, the other one's probably on its way out, I'd imagine.
Yeah. This one's old too. Damn. What sucks is it wasn't the boot, so it was strictly from stress.
Yeah, it's just snapping inside the boot.
Yeah. Alrighty. Time to lube her
At
up.
least it didn't leak grease everywhere and shit, you know?
Yeah, that's true. Alright.
Just get your finger and...
Just a little light coat, nothing too much.
Yeah. Just to keep the spines happy.
Yeah. I might not get too much. This is the longer side.
Yeah, a little more.
Let's feed it in from the top. Actually.
This, and then you kind of want to use this end to. And good.
It's hard to tell if she's in the spines or not.
So now you just gotta wiggle it. So I'll just press the hub against me. And there you go.
Yeah. Come on, man.
Looked it up. Oh, shit. Go that way. And back. Okay, there we go. There we go.
Too much. There we go. That's perfect.
That's it, yeah?
Yeah. We'll just do the axle nut.
And we'll torque it down to the foot-pound. And then she's done.
Okay. There's your torque wrench.
Yeah. What's the foot-pound?
140.
Easy peasy, buddy. Isn't that fucking refreshing?
Yeah. Really?
Yeah.
Alright, so far so good. Putting the wheel back on, made sure that it moved, all that good stuff. So we'll take it out for a little drive, make sure everything's good, and then we'll call it a day. And she's back on the road, humming. Easy. That took us what, like, let's see, how long has this video been going? 32 minutes. This video has been going for 32 minutes, so I thought this was going to take us like an hour or two. So, goes to show. 2 people with just some tools and a little bit of know-how that are willing to learn. Heck yeah. Alright, party people. The axle is done. The car drives fine. That is a win in my book, especially since I thought it was a transmission issue originally, which would have costed me way more money. But thankfully, it was just the axle. It happened after my final race for the season. So now we have all winter to get the car ready for next season. I think what I might do is run to a junkyard, get another axle, maybe rebuild the one that's in there. I don't know. I've got options, so I think I'm going to look into what it takes to rebuild an axle. Maybe I can send it off, or maybe I just might go to a junkyard and get a spare. So all options that have been presented to me that I'm going to take into consideration. Like I said in a previous video, modifications for reliability go a long way. Since axles breaking are very common on the BRZ, that's what we're going to do. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this quick short video of just a normal install in the front of my mom's house, because you know we couldn't get it to the garage. But anyways, until next time, happy Vlogmas, Merry Holidays. Until the next video, peace.